This is the Koenigsegg Sadair 1,600 horsepower on E85 fuel from a twin-turbo V8. This is a track-ready but street-legal hypercar, limited to just 30 units, and every single one is already spoken for. Coming up, we are going to cover the design, full-spec breakdown, and Koenigsegg track record of impossible. Before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's start with what it looks like, because the design tells you everything about what Koenigsegg intended. Every panel, vent, and angle feels loaded, like it's holding back force. It's all low height and wide hips, with the cockpit shoved deep toward the rear axle. A wedge of speed with zero softness. No soft arcs. Those rear arches practically explode from the body. Side blades and splitters aren't just for show. They're how it breathes, how it holds the road. The cockpit, carbon shell seats, bare-bones switchgear, a steering wheel that looks stolen from a Le Mans prototype. Now the numbers. Powering the Sadair's Spear is Koenigsegg's twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering 1,282 horsepower on standard fuel, and up to 1,602 horsepower using E85. It's paired with Koenigsegg's revolutionary flywheel-free light-speed transmission. 9 gears carried over from the Jesko. This is the same gearbox that Koenigsegg claim can change gear in under a millisecond. Torque, up to 1,500 Newton meters on E85. Price, 3.8 million euros, all 30 units allocated. So how extreme is this actually? Let's assess each major claim. 1,602 horsepower from a V8 on E85. Feasible. Koenigsegg has done this before with the Jesko Absolute, which produced 1,600 horsepower from the same engine family. Confirmed. Sub-millisecond gear changes from the light-speed transmission. This has been independently validated on the Jesko. It is real. Power-to-weight ratio exceeding 1:1. Meaning more than 1 horsepower for every kilogram of the car's weight. It is one of the most unique cars in the world, by a manufacturer with a 30-year track record of making the impossible routine. And this is the context that matters most. The Koenigsegg Regera had no gearbox, a direct drive system that shouldn't have worked at over 400 kilometers per hour. It did. The free-valve engine, no camshafts, no traditional valve train, each valve controlled individually by actuator, ran in a production car, the Gemera, a 4-seat hypercar producing 2,300 horsepower combined from a hybrid V8 and dark matter electric motor with a range of 1,463 kilometers. Announced as a concept in 2020. In early 2026, Koenigsegg confirmed production is finally underway at its Swedish facility. Every time the automotive world said Koenigsegg had gone too far, they delivered. The Sadair's Spear is not their wildest idea. It is their most refined one.